Start your Minecraft adventure by creating your own epic world. Think like Bilbo Baggins and build a variety of fantasy environments, from haunted forests to dangerous mountains, and then embark on quests to explore and write about your adventures. Next, try building a pirate-themed area with a large island, a bustling pirate port with a pub, and a pirate ship out on the water. Add interesting features like a hidden Temple of Doom to make your island more exciting. You can also venture into space by building a spaceship in a cosmic environment. Use obsidian blocks in creative mode to create a vast black space. Then generate planets using spheres or codes and place a spaceship floating among them. For extra flair, fill a glass sphere with lava to represent the sun. Another fun project is constructing a massive volcano filled with lava. You can create an evil lair underneath, using glass to contain the lava and light up your hidden base. Finally, experiment with gigantic trees filled with buildings inspired by Avatar. Build enormous trees with roots, trunks, and branches large enough to hold homes, pathways, and rooms. Then invite friends to explore or host an UOC-style party among the treetops. These projects encourage creativity and make your Minecraft world feel alive and full of adventure.